All right, so let's get started. Start off with, I'm going to be using this axe. This is a framing axe. And I want to show you the one side, the one face of this axe is flush all the way across. The other face has a steep bevel to it. Now the reason that it's flat on one side and beveled and sharpened on the other side is so that the axe can pair flat and flush to the wood. If it was beveled on both sides, it would be good for chopping into or splitting the wood, but being flat, it's good for, cutting flat, get this nice smooth flat surface. So let's get started. So I don't believe I said already, but this is a piece of elm. Now, elm, it's not a very heavy wood, but it's a wood that gets a very dense crisscrossing grain fiber, which makes it resist splitting. And for these purposes, I believe that will make a very good mallet, because a wooden mallet, well, you hit it on the face towards the end grain. Well, you don't hit the mallet hits other stuff. But that can cause the wood to split out. If you got a smooth grain wood, doesn't have a lot of crisscrossing in it, what'll happen is as the wood dries, that impact will cause those grains to separate and split. I've made mallets out of oak before, and they always split in half fairly quickly. But sometimes when you need something fast, you just use what you have. All right, so I'm on the third side. As soon as I'm done with this side, I can do the fourth side, and we can move over to the shaving horse. Get a little bit more there. All right, that looks roughly square. That'll be good enough.